Hi everyone, it's Lynn. Welcome back to my video. Today we're going to be talking about contractions using the auxiliary verbs would and had. Now these can be a little bit confusing because they have similar contracted forms. So make sure you pay close attention in order to memorize these, and you'll be on your way to sounding like a native speaker. Let's take a look. All right, let's take a look at the list of common contractions using would and had. Now this can be pretty confusing because would and had both have the same contracted form, but we're going to do it together. We're going to look at would first and then look at had. I'm going to say each example twice. The first time I'll say it slowly, and then I'll say it like a native speaker, speed. So make sure you repeat after me each time. That's really important. Okay, here we go. First one, I would, I'd. I'd like to help you make dinner. I'd like to help you make dinner. He would, he'd. He'd be a good choice for president. He'd be a good choice for president. She would, she'd. She'd be very happy if you helped her. She'd be very happy if you helped her. It would, it'd. It'd be nice if you visited us. It'd be nice if you visited us. You would, you'd. You'd love being on vacation in Hawaii. You'd love being on vacation in Hawaii. We would, we'd. We'd have to check the price first. We'd have to check the price first. Okay, last one for would. They would, they'd. They'd never hurt you. They'd never hurt you. Okay, let's move on to had. First one, I had, I'd. I'd better make breakfast soon. I'd better make breakfast soon. He had, he'd. He'd studied a lot before his test. He'd studied a lot before his test. She had, she'd. She'd never been to a concert before last night. She'd never been to a concert before last night. It had, it'd. It'd better be on sale. It'd better be on sale. You had, you'd. You'd better fasten your seatbelt. You'd better fasten your seatbelt. We had, we'd. We'd not eaten since breakfast. We'd not eaten since breakfast. They had, they'd. They'd gone home before the party finished. They'd gone home before the party finished. Good job, everyone! Let's move on. All right, here are some dialogues, and if you pay really close attention to these are going to help you master these contractions. In the following examples, is the contraction using had, or is it using would? Example 1. He'd not written to his mother in years. Is it had or would? Right, it's had. Example 2. They'd pay her if she did her work properly. Is it had or would? This one is would. Example 3. Before last night, I'd not seen my girlfriend in a week. Had or would? It's had. Example 4. We'd love to take a vacation this summer. Had or would? This one is would. Example 5. She'd done the wash before her husband came home. Do you think had or would? It's had. All right, now you know that had and would use the same contraction. And it's tricky, but I know if you guys practice and keep on practicing, you're going to master it before you know it. So thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye, everybody.